Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Sofi Technologies and Oracle because these both, especially Oracle, is just really breaking out or ripping up, not just rebounding anymore. Looks like it's turning very bullish, but we'll take a look at that when we get to it. Right now, let's talk about Sofi Technologies because this thing is doing a really clean breakout ahead of the earnings. I'll take you a couple of earnings details as well, what is being projected. But Sofi is looking like in a really good position, and it has been. But as I always say, keep taking partial profits in the extensions. You don't have to fully liquidate your position, but as long as we're in the bullish structure, we are all good, and just keep taking partial profits. Anyways, as I have been saying, and this is not a complete news to you, if you have been seeing my videos on Sofi, you already knew this was the zone. Breakout, really awesome, clean, bullish price action and the structure that we got there. And we are still bullish. How high can we go, and where are the new areas of structural support? Because if we lose that, we'll have definitely a weakness, right? So first I want to mark okay, a couple of things. Even over the weekend, I talked about this is already in the breakout, and any pullback, even if it comes until $15.60 area, that blue box, we are still fine, right? If any pullback comes. But we just continued higher because we are already in the bullish structure, so pullback doesn't have to come, okay? Now, where is the next area? Well, this is the zone. If we do any pullback, let's say tomorrow or even today, any pullback until this blue box, that is from $16 to almost $70, anything until then is just going to be a pullback. Even if we lose it, as I said, even deeper pullback until even below like around $15 again is just going to be fine on Sofi. But is that going to happen? I don't expect that deep, but we have to be prepared for anything. Accordingly, size in and size out your position, but structure is not going to be broken on this thing even until we come down to $15.60. I don't want to see it that low, and I don't think it will come that low. Our first level of support is right up here, that is at almost $17 range. So Sofi is looking really beautiful. How high can it go? Well, so for that, I'll have to first just really quickly adjust something on my tools. And while I'm doing that, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. There's also a discount ongoing. All the details you will find down there. There's a link in the description of this video. All right. So let's see some, so we do have some other levels up on the top. And definitely there's one thing I can do here real quick. All right. So our prominent major levels like $22 after $17.85, you sure can expect, like, it opens up the doors to $22. Can earnings push it there? It sure can. But again, as I said, always be cautious. We have to have a stop loss either way and accordingly trade it, right? But as I said, structure is still bullish, nothing to worry. I'm not worried, and I'm still a holder of this position in my portfolios, holding through it. And on the hourly interval as well as turn on the tools, and oh, there we go, another one, and we are still in the bullish structure, just fine, just great. And also on the 4 hours interval, let's take a look at that. We'll be just bullish though, right? So anyways, let's turn it on, and we have been bullish on 4 hours as well. Nothing to fear still. Again, keep taking partial profits in the extensions and all that great stuff. Now let's go to, before going to Oracle, I just want to really quickly go over what is being expected for Sofi in the market, and that is this company is expected to post quarterly earnings of 0.04 per share in its upcoming report, which represents a year-over-year change of 100%. Revenues are expected to be $664 million, up 11.7% from the year ago quarter. Now, definitely the earnings are the per share, the ones which are really gonna make Wall Street happy if they can beat that, or even come close. So that's a 100% increase. Price action is supporting it. Again, I trade with the price action earnings. I just wanted to show you what is being talked about. Anyways, let's get to Oracle now, because that thing is doing a really clean, good, nice breakout. Now, I did talk about it over the weekend. Check the videos out if you haven't done so. I talked about Uber, Oracle, PayPal, which is a better buy. Check that out. But here on Oracle, because we were negative, right? And I mentioned that we might have to wait. So let's turn on the tools. We were on the passive mode here, though in the rebound on the passive mode, we have turned full on bullish here. And it's not a normal bullish strength today. It's a really, look at the candle size, guys, right? And we are looking very strong on Oracle at this point. We do have new areas to watch. We don't need this blue box anymore. We have new areas to watch, and that is any of this zone is a support zone. This is a really good support zone, which means any pullback until here is just fine. It's not going to break the structure. Pullback should be looked to be bought back up as long as we stay above $164 to $165. Oracle is looking really strong, really good comeback on this. Look at this beauty. And I talked about it. I already mentioned to you guys, look, it's already becoming it's a good rebound that's been, let's go to the hourly interval. It's already been doing a good rebound on the hourly interval. And we are just right at that zone of can we continue a strong uptrend from here, because we are just at that 200 hours moving average. And let's turn on the tools, and you can see what a beautiful price action we have been getting on this thing. So very bullish, very strong. And yeah, any pullback that, if any pullback comes, its structure is just going to be fine on this, even until that, the blue box that I just gave you. Very good price action, and it's just a buy. Well, as long as we keep holding above the blue box, pullbacks are a buy. And the rebound that was happening today is just full on after the above that blue box is just bullish. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Hope you found it helpful, valuable. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links on the description of this video, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care, bye.